Oh, wow! A ball! Yummy banana! Bird ball banana.
Hello kids! Welcome to CountTen Learning World. Are you ready to learn a new letter today? Today's letter is B. Letter B. Can you say B? Say with me. B. 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 Very good. Look. This is a ball. Wow. This is ball. B for ball. Say with me. B for ball. Look here. This is banana. B for banana. B for banana. Say with me. B for banana. Look, a cute bird. This is a bird. This is a bird. B for bird. B for bird. Say with me. B for bird. Great job, kids.
B says b, ball and banana start with B. Bird says hello with B, sing again.
Let's sing together. B says B. B, B, B. B says B. B, B, B. Ball and banana start with B. Bird says hello with B. Sing again. Let's sing together. B says B. B, B, B. B says B. B, B, B. Ball and banana start with B. Bird says hello with B. Amazing singing. Now, mini story. One day, a little bird found a ball.
Oh, wow! A ball!
The bird said, "Oh, wow! A ball!" Then the bird saw a yellow banana. Yummy banana. Bird, ball, banana.
Yummy banana! Bird ball banana.
All start with B. Can you say B? Yes, B. Look kids, this is big B. Let's write big B together. Straight line down, curve and curve. This is big B. Say with me, B. Now, look here. This is small b. Let's write small b together. Let's write small b together. Straight line down, small curve. This is small b. Say with me, B. Now repeat together. Big B, small b. Big B, small b. Big B, small b.